Good morning. Welcome to day 37 of our 40-day mantra practice. We are in the home stretch, and today is a very special day with the winter solstice and the grand conjunction. And just really, I'm personally feeling that energy of the newness that's starting to come in. This past weekend was amazing. Lots of awareness and purging and healing, and it's been an amazing weekend. I hope you guys have been able to tune in and feel this very unique energy and be able to tune into it and make use of it. um, really bringing awareness to what we're letting go of so that we can make room for what's new, for the new ways, the new experiences that we wish to be creating. So let's go ahead and dive in. So taking a nice deep inhale in. Actually, I'm going to scoot back a little bit. There we go. All right. That way I can fold forward during my surrender, during the time of surrender, and have the room to do that in. Okay. So taking a nice deep inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Om. Okay, let's go ahead and circle the arms around as we take a nice deep inhale. Exhaling all that beautiful air, bringing it to your heart center. Taking a nice deep inhale here and bending over to offer your practice. And completely surrendering in the offering as you inhale and exhale. And then when you're ready, pushing yourself up with another inhale. And exhaling your arms around to have your hands land in your lap, palms up. As you give yourself a moment of appreciation, and to all of you out there, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for joining me in this daily spiritual practice. I do truly enjoy being able to be here and share this with you. And I'm so profoundly moved by those of you who continue to join me on a daily basis. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Divine love and infinite blessings. Namaste.